going on, guys? It's Austin here. Today I'm back making a video about the Corolla again. Just a little update on what's going on, what's to come. So yeah, I mean, a couple good things about this car, and like the upgrades we're gonna do. This rocker, you can see it's starting to come up here. The doors I'm gonna leave alone, but the rocker, I'm gonna take on a project and we're gonna fix those up. Is it worth it necessarily? No, but it's what I want to do. And if I could do it myself, it's gonna be a lot cheaper. So I think that'll be a good thing. I shut my driver door, but I've got a problem going on here, and no, it's not the tensioner assembly. Well, it is. This is the timing chain tensioner. That's a whole problem for different day, but there's a leak going on there. I'm just going to replace the whole unit. I got a Toyota OEM. Cost me like 45 bucks. Right now, what I got going on now, I'm checking my dome fuse because my dome light's out again. So I don't know what's going on with that. Took our little fuse puller. Get this bad boy open up. That's hot. Oh my. Okay, I got that up now. That was really hot. The sun's beating on my car. Get this thing up here. You're gonna see. I believe it's this fuse right here. No, it's not. So I used the OEM fuse actually. So dome right here, 10. I'm gonna check it out. See what's going on. Come on. It's good. So I guess my light's out again. Oh, whoops. Which all right, whatever. It's kind of annoying to replace that bulb, but that's what I'll do, I suppose. So yeah, that's no biggie. I have to go get a new bulb at some point. I guess it's not, at least it's not another fuse, because I just replaced that, so that can go over there, and those can go over there. I didn't really want to throw it on that. So yeah, I guess just the minor things that nickel and dime me with this car. Honestly, I have more problems with this car than I do this one, as I have that missing rim cap. Pisses me off. The scratch also pisses me off. I did just use tire shine on this, and there's still some, like last week, it's still a little shiny, so that's cool. Took the front plate off, makes it look like a happy girl. This is a common missing issue here, and I don't really care. I've got paint chipping, peeling. This is this bumper's only about a year and a half old, but you know, I scrape so much. Fucking Connecticut, dude, I hate it here. I do. I shouldn't say I hate it. I actually love it here, but the roads suck. So it's just, they're terrible. Aside from that, it's pretty cool place to live. But I'm tired of the winters anyway, so we're moving down south. I'm tired of the Rust Belt. See, it's eating my car alive. So, but yes, the name of the game is to bring this thing back to life, give it a second chance at life, and that's what I'm about. My car addiction. It's pouring money into cars that aren't worth it. We have the 3 Series. Now, this thing's a little more worth it because, well, it's a BMW. Really, man, it's got a lot of miles, but I love it. So it's going nowhere. You don't see too many of the GTs. And yeah, it's going nowhere. So we got the 328 GT, F34. We have the 09 Corolla. And guess what? There's going to be a third car coming. There is. So the fleet is only going to get bigger. I'm looking for a couple different things. So excited about that. Maybe an ML, Mercedes ML, older one maybe. Looking at one of those. Looking at older C classes with lower miles, about like 60-ish, 70. There's a couple other things. Older cars for the most part. I'm looking at S40s, Volvo S40s, stuff of that nature. I could use for a little bit of a bigger vehicle than this. This is a perfect size for me. It's honestly, there's a lot of room in the back. I don't really need to show it off because I have before, but it's very spacious, this one. So, that the space thing isn't really the concern. However, it probably would be good to get a car of similar nature, maybe on the similar length level or comfort level opposed to this. This thing though, there's nothing wrong with the Corolla. I'm gonna tell you what, yeah, it's a tight squeeze in the back, but that's not a big deal. The trunk space is freaking outrageous in this thing. Yeah. Oh wow, I thought that was unlocked. That's embarrassing. The trunk space, yeah, I got a stroller back here. And you can fit so many suitcases. Like, you fit probably like 3 or 4 suitcases. There's the tent. Maylee needs to, she needs to finish that. She told me she was gonna finish it today, actually. Ear warning, that's for sure. Yep. You heard it there. I gave you the warning. Here's some OW20 that I have back here that's leaking, which is terrific. Leaky OW20. Yes. You love that. You gotta love that. So that'll just have to sit right there. And then yeah, so that's pretty much it. So it's not, this car is not inconvenient, to say the least. Aside from maybe the potential space gimmick, which, is a problem, I guess. So it's just a tight squeeze in the back, man. That's really it. I'm shutting my door. My keys are in here. It's gonna get locked. I'm gonna be upset. And there's a couple jackets, but it's pretty clean back here. I do a good job of keeping my stuff tidy. But yeah, so we'll try and not make as much noise with this. So yeah, the tensioner will be getting fixed probably with the at the same time I'm doing the rockers. The fender's gonna be after. I'm more focused on the underside. The side people can't see, obviously, of course, but I just want it to last long. Got the new muffler on here, pretty good, looks pretty good. So yeah, the drums I did 2 years ago. Those look fine, a little rusty, but no biggie. And then, yeah, the obvious oil change and coolant flush we did recently. So yeah, that's coming up. The new cars are coming up in the next month or two, maybe 3, depending on what I find, what I want, and etc. And then, yeah, coming up more recently is going to be saving this thing. Probably in the next, I would say this is going to happen in like 2 or 3 weeks. So, yeah, that's the name of the game here. The Corolla, never going. 3 Series, never going. My addiction will continue. And the fleet will grow larger. So I appreciate you guys for watching. Like, subscribe, and comment. And just let me know what you guys want to see next. And what vehicle should I get? What vehicle should I add to the fleet? I appreciate you guys. Whoa. I appreciate you guys. And I'll see you guys in the next one.